Well, thank you for making your number expander for Green Maths Module AB Week 1. What is it that you've actually done? You have organised your numbers into groups of 10,000, 7,000, and when you put them together you have 97,823. Now, when you close your number expander, you get 97,000. So I'm not going to actually delete that 1,000. I'm going to leave it there as a little bit of a signpost and a little tiny space you might sometimes see between numbers that tell us we have 97,000 because our number place value system is organised in groups of 3 columns. Now let's hide the rest of them if I can do that quickly. So we have 97,823. So there's your 90,000 because we've got 9 times 10,000. There's your 7,000 because you have 7 times 1,000. Together they make 97,823. Now, how do these numbers on your number expander connect to your place value chart? Now, we call these place value columns because where the number lands, that is the value of this number. And on our place value chart, the ones are the smaller numbers and the millions are the bigger numbers. Now, the place value chart is organised into groups of 3 columns to make it easier to read. And they usually have a little space to show you that we're doing groups of. Now, remember back to your number expander. 90,000 goes across there. We know it's 90,000 because there's a little space there to let us know that everything in this is a group of 1,000 and everything here is just ordinary numbers. Then when you saw 7,000 on your number expander, together they make 97,000. And then you've got 823. Now, when we read them all together, we have 3 in the ones column, 2 in the tens column, 8 in the hundreds column, 7 in the 1,000 and 9 in the 10,000. So we have 97,000 because everything in these 3 columns is a group of 1,000, 872. All right, let's read that number again. 97,823. I think I've got it right that time. So let's read it again and get it right. 97,823. Now, if I was to give you another number, I wonder if you could practice reading it. Let's make it a really big one, shall we? Please read this number for me. 38,678, and it works with hundreds. Try and read this number. Did you say 725,891? Go back to your number expander and your place value chart and practice writing and saying big numbers. Thank you.